Greetings everyone, and welcome to the Grand Grandeur for a momentous event. I have not cleaned up anything. So here is locomotive, 5 very light Walters coal cars, I think, and one rather heavy, I think it was in Athearn, but I can't be sure at the moment. And it is going to go up that hill, which I just built with the aid of my wife, cut a diagonal along a 43-inch, 45-inch, 2-inch thick, 3-inch wide piece of foam. It isn't perfect, I admit that. Absolutely, it is crude, but it is effective. And to witness, yes, I've tested this many times. Let's give it a go. It will. Now, the good news is, sure, granted, it can't pull more than about, or push more than 3, maybe 4 hoppers up that, probably 4.5% grade. But my trains are never that long anyway. This is the interchange out to points unknown and oblivion, so it really doesn't matter. So I am very pleased with the success, as I have been trying for years to build an incline like that. Or, well, I tried many different methods, but the most important part, I didn't stay home. I didn't quit. I didn't give up. I didn't say, never mind. I kept trying. Now, that's been on other layouts, other locations, up in Boston. And yeah, it wasn't perfect. And there's the future tall tower. It'll be in that corner. And have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening. And I will safe travels whenever, wherever, whomever you are. Take care.